Let me ask you something. Have you ever checked your bank balance and thought, where did all my money go? You work hard, you try to save, but still, money disappears. Today, I'm going to show you why most people stay broke and how you can start winning with money, even if you earn very little. This video can change how you think about money forever. I used to believe something very wrong. I thought, when I start earning more, my problems will be solved. But guess what? People who earn a lot of money are also broke. They just have bigger bills. More salary leads to more spending, leads to more stress. That's why most people live paycheck to paycheck. The real problem is not how much you earn. The problem is how you use your money. Number 1. The biggest money mistake. Here is the biggest mistake most people make. They buy things to look rich instead of becoming rich. New phone, branded clothes, expensive food, unnecessary subscriptions. These things give you temporary happiness, but permanent poverty. Rich people do the opposite. They use money to buy assets, not things. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket. A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. Most people fill their life with liabilities. Number 2. Simple rule. Pay yourself first. Before you spend on anything, save or invest at least 10 to 20% of what you earn. Even if you earn very little, this habit will change your future because money is not built by luck. This habit will change your future. Number 3. How poor think versus rich think poor mindset says, I don't have enough money. Rich mindset asks, how can I make more money? Poor people save what is left after spending. Rich people spend what is left after saving. Poor people work for money. Rich people make money work for them. This difference decides your future. You don't need to be born rich. You don't need a big salary. You just need the right knowledge and the right habits. And this channel will teach you exactly that. If you want to take control of your money, escape the stress, and build a strong future, subscribe now. This is just the beginning.